We are trying to complete the process by end of January, the repairing work as well as the counting of the ornaments. Everything we are trying to complete the job by end of January, and the process will be start at the soonest possible time. We believe by end of January we would be able to complete the process. This survey report will come very soon, but whatever the information is there, the apprehensions we are having that there is something beneath the ground, behind the walls, all these things, most likely it is not there, and these were all speculations. And once the complete report is coming, after that we'll be in a position to tell what is what and what is there, what is not there. By end of January we are trying our level best to complete the entire process. In fact, in the chairman of Development Commissioner, a committee has been formed to develop a new road policy. So, at the stakeholders, we have discussed all the aspects of it. I think very soon we'll be able to implement the new road policy, which will take care of the construction of roads, maintenance of roads, and the transfer of roads. Basically, these three things will be addressed properly, and keeping the view of future communication in the state, would be in a position to have better quality roads, well-maintained roads, as well as the kind of traffic and to handle the traffic, the logistic traffic, like passenger traffic and all these things. To handle all this, whatever is adequate, whatever is required, we'll be taking that into consideration, and we believe we'll be having the best kind of road in the country. So that is the plan, and because of that, this implementation of a road policy, I believe it is one of its kind in the entire country, and will be ahead of others as far as the quality and network of road infrastructure in the state. As far as this is concerned, will be number one in the country in future.